Welcome back to the channel. So today you join us for another modification on Jason's FK8. This is a Acuity shifter, and this can offer us anything from a real stock feeling shift up to just a click of the wrist where you're changing gear. No further ado, let's get it fitted. That's the shifter fitted. I'm going to get out on road test now, give it some quick gear changes. But remember, hit the like, share and subscribe buttons, and feel free to leave us a comment below on what you think Jason's next modification should be.